welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm trying out the Markartt Nail Extension Gel Kit. So firstly, let me just tell you that this kit does not require a slip solution. It's going to be available on Amazon and it retails for $39.99. This kit is also available in 3 different sets. You have a clear pink, rose pink, sun red, and today I have the clear pink kit. Now, the kit comes with 6 builder gels, a one-sided brush, nail forms, a filer, a top coat, and then a base coat. Unfortunately for this video, again, I will only be focusing on the gels. And so the gels come in a 30 milliliter tube, and the kit includes a clear, blush, rose, pink, watermelon, and missy rose color. So I'll be swatching all of the colors and offering my thoughts at the end of the video. And as always, if you want to see what I think about this set, then stick around and keep watching the rest of the video. I had a lot of fun swatching the colors from this kit. I definitely think this is a beginner's friendly builder gel because it levels quickly and it's easy to maneuver. Now, if you're getting started with the poly gel and you've not experienced a builder gel, I definitely would not recommend this to you. These are just 2 different types of mediums, and a builder gel definitely requires practice and speed. You probably won't like it. As far as the builder gel goes, I also like the fact that you could just push it straight out of the tube and keep on about your business. Now, I will say that I did have a few problems with pushing this product out of some of the tubes, especially the blush. I mean, there was a part of the video where I was struggling. I had to take a break and I was nervous that if I pushed too hard that all of the product would just burst out. The colors are, however, so beautiful, but I did take offense to there not being a white included in the kit or anywhere else on mine. I feel like that when people buy this particular set, They want to do basic looks like an ombre or a French look. And I think Markartt missed the ball there. Just to let you know, I'm still on the hunt for a white builder gel with this consistency. So if you happen to spot one out there, please let me know. Overall, I think that this is another win for Markartt, and I'm happy I invested in this product, and I can't wait to use it for some of my polished, sophisticated looks. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button, and if you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. I want to thank you again for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.